up, guys? Happy New Year! We're back with another vid after a really long time.
And we haven't been posting because we were just busy. So in this video, you can see who can solve the 2x2 faster and who can solve the 3x3 faster.
Let's get into the video.
Challenge number 1. We're gonna see who can solve the 2x2 faster.
Let's go! So, we'll get 15 seconds to inspect this cube. Inspection. And now we'll start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes!
Aww, I only solved like that much.
I got 1691. I'm not sure if you can see.
Let's head on to the 3x3 race.
So we're gonna get 15 seconds to inspect this 3x3. Okay,
3, 2, 1, start.
Yes!
Aww.
I got
30.16 seconds for Adrian.
And
that means that he's the winner for this video.
Yay! That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe down below, turn on the notification
Ding, ding.
bell, and give this video a like.
And as well, share this video to a friend, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.